Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Crystal. I'm a part-time reseller on the apps eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. You can find me on all of the things, including Instagram as the Crystal Bear. You'll see them pop up right here. And the links will also be in the descriptions if you wanted to follow along. Today's video is just gonna be a super short video, but I promised that I would do it, and I'm kind of excited about it. So if you watch resellers on YouTube at all, I'm sure that you know Denali Elducho. I ordered a box from her. She's been doing wholesale boxes. I think she got a pallet and she's been wholesaling them out. So I was really excited to do it. I watched her website like a hawk because I knew she would sell out pretty quickly, and I really wanted to get my hands on one of her athletic boxes. So I think I paid $62 like after tax and everything like that, and there should be about 5-ish items. The listing does say that it's more about like the monetary value and not the number of items that you get. So there should be at least 5 in there. We'll see what happens. So I just wanted to show you kind of how she sent it. So she just sent it in a padded flat rate, which is totally fine with me. And yeah, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it with y'all and we're gonna see what's in here. And I have one of my dogs is right here, so they want to see what's in the package as well. We'll see. I should have got scissors. I should have been way more efficient. I've done like 3 unboxings now, and you would think I would like get better at it, being like more prepared, but I just don't do it. Okay, so first glance, it's very nicely packaged in here, which I was not expecting anything less. I'm just gonna start pulling things out. Just pull out a couple things at a time. First item looks like it's Nike, the Nike tee. Says Nike on it. It's just a tank top. This is perfect for this season. It's new with tags from Nordstrom Rack. Looks like it retailed for $38, so that's pretty good. And it's got a cool swoosh on the back, so this should do well. The only time I like to see white is if it's new with tags, because otherwise I'm just assuming that there's a stain. But so this one, I think that might have came from my dog. Okay, this is Champion, size extra large, and it says Champion on it. Blue and white striped. Also new with tags. Retailed for, I think, $15. Not bad. Extra large. I do like the fact that they're tank tops because these will do well right now. So next, another white piece. This is also new with tags. I think they're all new with tags. This is Zella. I've never sold Zella before, but I heard that it does well. Looks like it's just a plain white tank top. It feels nice though. What is the fabric? This is a size small. I can't figure out what the fabric is. Polyester and spandex. So this is like a perfect cute little workout tank. White, retailed on Nordstrom for $25. So obviously if they're retailing for $25, I'm not gonna get a ton for it. Maybe 15, which is fine. So we've already gotten 3, and this still seems pretty packed, so unless there's some pants in here, it might just be more than 5. Oh, this looks like it is pants. Love me a good legging. These are black. These are Zella as well, size large. Just a regular, like, skinny leg legging. I might actually, depending on the sizes, try and lot some of this up. So this is a size large, so that won't go well with the tank top. But if this was a small, I might lot it with the tank top to see if I can sell. I do better. A lot of my Nike stuff, when I get it at the bins, I lot it up. And it does better. I can usually get about $20, $25 for this. This is just a Nike sports bra. Again, $23 on this for retail. Brand new with tags. This is cute though. Just gray. Strappy back. It's very in style. Cool. I'm excited about that. So we're at 5 already, and there's still at least one more thing in here. Okay. So this is the, oh, there's 2? Wait, I'm confused. Oh, there's one more thing. Okay, this is oh, I love this. This is Nike. This retailed for $50. And this is just a Nike new with tags hoodie, but it's got like a long neck. I don't know. I think you just like scrunch it down, or maybe it's like when you wear it down like this. I actually have no idea, because you know, Crystal does fashion. But it's got like a cute, it's a lightweight hoodie. So it's good for this type of weather because it's not super heavy, but we're going into spring and people like light jackets. So this, and it's got the hoodie pocket. So I'm excited about this. I think that I can probably get $25 to $30 for this. So let's see, I am going to estimate, don't hold me to this, but I spent about $60. Let's say $30 on the hoodie, $15 I think on the bra, so we're at $45, maybe $20 on the leggings. I don't know the brands, I'm just guessing, but $20 is usually average for leggings, I think, unless they're like Lululemon or Prana or something like that. So $45, $65, so that's paid for the whole box. And then I'd say probably $10 maybe on the what is this, the Zelly, the Zelly tank top? Yeah, probably $10. So I actually think that this Nike tank top I might pair with something that I got as a donation, because it's the same size, I think. This one is a medium and the shorts are a medium as well, so I can probably get $25 for that lot. So overall, I'll probably double my money on this, which is not bad for wholesale. So I'm pretty happy with it. And it's what people are buying right now, loungewear, although they're about to open some states, so people are about to go back to work, but I think that exercise is still doing well for people. It's doing well for me. So I'm pretty happy with the box. I will link Elducho's channel. Obviously, if you are watching this, you probably know who she is, so you don't need a link. But I'm going to link it just in case. And you can go ahead and go watch her videos and also follow her on Instagram as well. So thanks for watching.